Well, we're asking this question a lot of ourselves, aren't we? Where does the time go?
Well, a new book, Time Magic, is teaching us how to reclaim our time and our lives. And the husband and wife duo behind the magic, Melissa Ambrosini and Nick Broadhurst, are live from the sunny coast this morning. Good morning to both of you. Melissa, you've had multiple award-winning books, even been labelled, a self-help guru. So how did this one come about?
So many of our friends, our clients, and even our family members would ask us, how do you guys have businesses, have a family, and still have time to go to the beach every single day? And we would kind of scratch our head and think, doesn't everyone know about tick or flick or time magic tricks? And so we started sharing some of our tips and our secrets, and so many people resonated with this, and they said, you have to write a book and put this all in a book for us. So that's how it was born.
All right, Nick, you should tell me about tick or flick, Nick.
Tick and flick.
Tick and flick, Nick. I mean, you live on the sunny coast.
Really
Basic, guys, you live on the sunny coast. Why wouldn't you be at the beach every day?
Well, we are. So, yeah, we get it. Yeah, it's a tick or flick. Tick or flick is basically a productivity system, because time magic is not about time management. It's not about cramming more stuff into your day. That's something we want to make clear. But we still have things we want to get done, and we want to do them as efficiently as possible. So I developed this system. It's done within an app. It's very simple, and it just means that you never, ever get overwhelmed ever again. It's